Are your tanks running low on man juice? Low testosterone can cause all kinds of problems. Symptoms of low testosterone include premature muscle failure. Low sex drive. Her hair is amazing. Extreme fatigue and weakness.
Up next, The View. And we're doing makeovers.
My gods! Zeus, give me the strength, I beg of you! But don't fear, I'll show you how to refill your testy tanks with this 4-ingredient testosterone boosting recipe on
Testicleez Fantastica!
First, lay that sexy salmon in your pan. The vitamin D in salmon helps boost testosterone. Ladies also need vitamin D. Won't you share yours? Thinly slice your ginger and place it on your sultry salmon to improve blood flow to your throb knob. After you glaze up your manly chest, drizzle with olive oil to circulate testosterone. Sprinkle with salt and pepper if you'd like, then bake. Lay your salmon on a bed of magnesium-rich spinach as you would lay your lover on a bed of roses. Gently now. And then, ravage her! Enjoy your meal. Try this recipe, and in no time, you'll break your limits.
You can do it. You can do it, man.
I guess. Your sex drive will return. And you'll be stronger.
Fight!
Did this recipe titillate your testicles? Like, subscribe, and let me know. That's all for now, boys. See you in the next episode of
Testicleez Fantastica!
Wash Your Balls.